asunto-osakeyhtiö Hämeenlinna.
This is also very nice. Today on the 30th of March 2025, and what was the address, by the way?
Birger Jaarlin katu 18. Or not 12, not 8.
Oh, okay. Birger Jaarlin katu 12. The Birger Jarlsgatan was beautiful. So from Birger Jarl from Sweden.
Yeah.
West is 6 words for 80 kilometers. There was a small ship in Stockholm named Birger Jarl, and Hotel Birger Jarl in Stockholm too.
Yeah.
It was built in 1988 by Kone fixtures. It was in Hämeenlinna, that was the house by Hammer. Yeah, the other was the one. And 0655167. Right. No, it wasn't Kantahammer.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kantahammer, yeah. Because left is in Bayat.
Yeah.
Two rights here.
Yeah.
I like the sounds here.
Same here. And it's going to be modernized very soon this year.
Unfortunately. When was this finished? 88?
Yes, 88.
Yeah. Okay.
It's built by and maintained by Kone.
Switch on the lights.
Yeah. That's